the vPC with FEX. We got two 5K, N5K1, N5K2, and both this has got management interface with on the management VRF. We are going to use this as the keep alive link, layer 3 keep alive, which is the second opinion link for finding the vPC peer failure. If vPC peer link didn't respond, the keep alive link will be the secondary check. So for the keep alive, for the peer link, the interface we are going to use is Ethernet 1/7 and 8 on both the device, and this should be a layer 2 trunk port channel. For negotiation we will use LACP, and we got two FEX box, FEX 1 and FEX 2, and this is connected down to UCS. And we got Ethernet 1/13, Ethernet 1/14. 13 is connected to FEX 1. We will associate with the number 100, and FEX 2 we will associate with the number 101. This number I'll use while configuring. We are just naming the FEX box. This is Ethernet 1/14. This is Ethernet 1/13. So this is our plan. This is our plan. We don't have many interface for pinning. We have only one single interface. We'll put, because we are going to enable vPC, we need to put this in a port channel. So this will be port channel 10. This will be port channel 20. And this will be port channel number, let's say 50. P for 50. This is our plan. Let's do it. So here we got 5K2 and 5K1. Let's start configuration. We'll start from vPC and then we'll get into FEX. So let's start vPC configuration. Step 1, we need the keep alive links to be up. For the keep alive links, all that we need first is the management interface to be ready. Show interface management. Management 0. I see this management interface having an IP address 10 dot so and so. I'll go to the other switch and try pinging that address, ping so and so with the source VRF management. If this ping is happening, then look at this, it's happening. So I got an interface to be used as the keep alive link. It's pinging. So all that I need to do is I need to enable vPC feature, FEX feature, and LACP for the either channel. So I'll say FEX feature vPC, feature FEX. This is for the FEX, the later part of our configuration, and then feature LACP. Done. Next is vPC domain name. vPC domain, I'll give number 1, and peer keep alive destination, the IP address that I was trying to ping. This is the IP address I was pinging. This is the IP address of the switch 1's management interface. And here destination, after destination I can say this is for VRF management. but not necessary. If it is some other if it is some other VRF, I need to mention this. For management, even if you don't say this, nothing wrong. If you don't say this, by default it is going to use the management interface. So here if I type show interface brief mgmt, okay, show interface brief, I can see the IP address on management interface, this one. I'll copy this, I'll go here and I'll start the configuration here. Features, feature vPC, feature FEX, and then feature LACP. After this, the domain vPC, domain 1, peer keep alive, destination, the other switch IP address. See, I'm not saying VRF management. It says, because you didn't say I'm using management VRF. Okay, fine. And then if you want, you can verify now, show vPC. You can see that the vPC peer is alive now. Keep alive. Keep alive peer is alive. But peer link is still down. I see peer link does not exist. So now after this is what we need to configure the peer link. That's very important. So after this comes the peer link. Let's do the peer link configuration. Which will be step number 4. So for the peer link, according to our topology, the interface we have taken is Ethernet 1/7 and 8. Interface Ethernet 1/7-8. And channel group, it is good to shut down first. Channel group, we discussed as 50, mode active. Alright, so similarly on the other side, interface Ethernet 1/7 and 8. Correct, 7 and 8. Channel group 50, mode active. Next is interface port channel. Okay, I didn't shut down this interface. No problem. I'll say interface port channel 50, switch port mode trunk. This is very important. It should be a trunk link. And then I'll define it as vPC peer link. Okay, interface Ethernet 1/7/8. 7-8. I'll say no shutdown. I'll also do the same thing here. Interface port channel 50, switch port mode trunk, vPC peer link, and then interface Ethernet 1/7-8, no shut. Now I'm expecting the port channel to be up, so show port channel summary. And we see here the Ether channel is up. It is up. Show interface trunk. And we see here, we see here the port channel 50 is trunking. port channel 50 is trunking. That's what we need. It is there. Next is, we need to go with this one, the consistency check. Show vPC consistency parameter global. You should see, especially for the output and input queuing, the number should be same. If it is not same, we need to go under the interfaces or the port channel interfaces and change the speed. And also, if spanning tree type is not matching, we need to match. Now, assuming by everything is matching, see here, bridge assurance is enabled, everything is going good. So if everything is good, then we can start configuring the final session, the vPC member ports. So here our member ports are not just one physical, it's one physical interface, but that belong to Ether channel 10, the port channel 10. So we will go inside that interface first on both the switches. Interface Ethernet 1/13, and here I'll say switch port. Let me shut down first. Shut down channel group number 10. That's what we discussed. Mode on, because the below device is not capable to use LACP on the uplink ports. Likewise, we also have got 14 interface. I'll shut down that, and that I'll put it in VLAN 20. That's what we see here. So 14 connects to 20 down, 13 connects to 10 down here. Okay. Similar configuration need to be done on the other box. So on the other box, we need to configure vPC member port. So interface Ethernet 1/13, shut down, and then channel group 10, mode on, interface Ether channel 1/14, shut down, channel group 20, mode on. Okay, now if this is done, then only one more step to finish our vPC stuff. What is that? Interface port channel 51. I'm sorry, we are not using 51. 51 is for 50 is for it. Okay, we are using 10 and 20 here. Interface 10, I'll say switch port mode access, and then we'll say vPC 10. Likewise, I'll say port channel 20, switch port mode access, vPC 20. So same command goes on the next side. See, all that I am doing is I just created the port channel. I am going under the port channel, interface port channel 10, to say that you are a switch port mode, you are an access port, and you belong to vPC 10. Likewise for 20, switch port mode access. It can be trunk also if multiple VLAN traffics are coming here, but now we don't have multiple VLANs. vPC 20. Now all that I need to do for FEX is this. FEX is just two command. Feature FEX is already given. Now we need to do FEX association command and then switchport mode FEX fabric. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this access out. See, just now I created, I'm removing. For vPC sake I did this. Actually vPC is up. When I say no shutdown, vPC will be up. There is no doubt in that. vPC will be definitely up. We can verify that and then we can go for FEX if you want. Interface Ethernet 1/13-14 no shut. Interface Ethernet 1/13-14 no shut. Now show vPC show vPC is enough. Show vPC. We can see everything is success. The PO is up and here also I see success. Port channel vPC is up, no doubt. Show vPC, success and success. vPC is up. Now we are going to do FEX. Feature FEX is already enabled, so I need to go inside the interface, but here our interface is not simply an interface, it's a ether channel. So I need to get inside the ether channel 10 and 20 and say the FEX command. So the interface is the interface Ethernet, not Ethernet, sorry. Is that right? Interface port channel 10. Let me shut down this interfaces first. Interface Ethernet 1/13-14 shut down. Interface Ethernet 1/13-14 shut down. Alright. Next is I'll go under interface port channel 10, in which 13 interfaces. I'll say switchport mode FEX fabric, FEX associate. FEX associate I'll give 100. Likewise I'll go to interface 20, pivot 20, switchport mode FEX fabric, FEX associate, let me say 200. I'm sorry, 101. It should be less than 199. Okay, so what we have done is, for this we have given 100 and for this we have given 200. This is actually 20 and this is actually 10. So similar configuration need to be done on the other side, so I'll go and finish it the other side and then we'll say no shutdown here. Okay, this is also shut down. Interface port channel 10, switchport mode FEX fabric, FEX association 10. Okay, I am doing for interface 13, which is 10. 10 is connected to the left, so which is 100. interface port channel 20, same command, switch port mode FEX, and then FEX associate 101. That's all. Now only job that I need to do is no shutdown. So I'll say that one also. Interface Ethernet 1/13 -14. I'll copy this. No shut. No shut. That's all. Now if you see show FEX connected, give some time. Similarly here also I'll say show FEX. Wonderful. Here it is already assigned but still connected. It will download show FEX detail. I can show you. See, this is actually active. Now the status started downloading. Look at this, all the interfaces come so quick online. Now let's check here. Okay, something is wrong with one. Maybe it will take some time. Here this is online and this is connected. What about this show FEX? Here also this one is online, just opposite way. We need to give some time. First is online here. Okay, some changes are going on. Show FEX. Wonderful. Online. Show FEX. Cool. So both the side we got the FEX status online, and we don't have multiple interface, so all interfaces are pinned to that one single port channel 10. I can show you now. Show FEX detail. So all these are pinned to 13, which is a PO10 interface, and it is active. 100 is pinned to PO10. If you go down, you can see 101. See, 101 is pinned to PO20. That is using Ethernet 14. That's all. That brings us to the end of this.